So welcome to Writing Fever. In this session of the Writing Fever, we will be remember some of the shortcuts so that we can easily remember this electromagnetic spectrum. So you can also download the PDF of the explanation through the link that will be given in the description box of this video, and you can also get touch with us through the YouTube link that will be given on the description box, and also you can see on the screen. You can contact us, or you can work us as a franchisee session, or if any one of you need any help from this Writing Fever community regarding this topic or regarding this any PDF file that we will given, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number that is shown on the screen, that is 70021345518. So let's get started. Here is the start of the electromagnetic spectrum. You all know there are also 7 rays. In this visible ray there are also 7 rays. So it is not possible to remember these all rays easily. So we will tell you some easy method to remember it so that you can easily remember it. Shortcut number 1, that is, you can see that the gamma ray has the highest energy as well as the highest frequency, but we cannot easily remember that highest frequency is gamma ray, then X-ray, then ultraviolet, then visible, then infrared, then microwave, then short radio wave, then long radio wave, or we can also call it as a radio wave. So it is not possible to remember it easily. So let's tell you a shortcut. So that is Gary XUV invariance. It is one of the best shortcut to remember this electromagnetic spectrum. So using this shortcut you can easily remember the electromagnetic spectrum in a series. So the term Z is using for the indicate the word gamma, and for X it indicate the X-ray, as well as U indicate the UV ray, V indicate the visible, and I indicate the infrared, M indicate the microwave, and R indicate the radio wave. It is an easy method to remember this all electromagnetic spectrum, simple and easily. So it is a short term, that is the Gary XUV invariance. It is also easy to remember. So using this line we can easily remember this all of the electromagnetic spectrum easily. So that is shortcut number 1. Another of most important, and you can also easily remember for this shortcut also, that is shortcut number 2, Radio Mirchi I Love You Xerox gun. It is also another shortcut that you can, through this shortcut you can easily remember the electromagnetic spectrum. That is so let's see how it works. That is, R means radio wave, M means microwave, I means infrared, V means visible, U means ultraviolet, X means X-ray, Z means gamma ray. So using this line also we can easily remember the electromagnetic spectrum easily. That is Radio Mirchi I Love You Xerox gun. So from radio wave to gamma ray, the energy as well as the frequency is increasing, and the wavelength is decreasing. You can also see it on the figure that is showing that from radio wave to gamma ray, the energy as well as the frequency is increasing, and the wavelength is decreasing from radio wave to gamma ray. That is, from gamma ray to radio wave the wavelength is increasing. So from these two shortcut you can easily remember this all. That is Gary XUV invariance, that is Z for gamma, X for X-ray, U for UV ray, V for visible ray, I for infrared, and M for microwave, as well as from the shortcut number 2, that is radio Missy, I love you Xerox gun, that is R for radio wave, M for microwave, I for infrared, V for visible, U for ultraviolet, X for X-ray, and Z for gamma ray. So that is all for today. So Writing Fever you can use as a community builder, as a social media platform, as a learning hub. So today we learn about the shortcut to remember the electromagnetic spectrum easily. You can get us with our YouTube link that is given on the screen, that is or you can search on YouTube, that is Writing Fever. So if you want to work with us as a franchise or as a paid content writer on Writing Fever, you can contact us, or you can register in the Writing Fever website, that is www.writingfever.com/registration. Or if any one of you want any help from us, you can direct contact us through the WhatsApp bottom, that is 70021345518. So you can download the PDF from link that will be given on the description of this discussion that is discussed today. So thank you for today.